In air handling, performance isn't just about moving air. It's about powering critical infrastructure with precision, reliability, and control. At Process Barron, we operate and lead with cutting-edge technology, combining proven engineering with the latest advancements in automation and diagnostics. Because we're not just equipment experts, we are solution providers. Your air handling system is a key to plant performance, influencing efficiency, emissions compliance, safety, and uptime. When airflow becomes restricted, vibration increases, or components begin to fail. Small issues can quickly impact your entire operation. That's where experience meets innovation. From custom-engineered expansion joints that absorb thermal movement and protect system integrity to precision dampers that provide exact airflow control, we design solutions tailored to your environment, demands, and long-term reliability goals. Fan rotors are the core of air handling performance. Our rebuilds combine advanced engineering and precision balancing to restore strength, efficiency, and operational stability. Because when rotors run smoother, your entire system performs better. Since 1981, our approach has remained the same. Inspect, advise, then quote. Because reliability isn't accidental, it's engineered. Powering critical infrastructure, delivering global expertise, optimizing entire systems. That's how we help you handle air better. Ready to optimize your plant's performance?